guys, welcome back to Evans Stress Fitness. Today I'm going to give you a fantastic and wonderful exercise that is gonna help you build your back, your arm, your hip flexors, and your abs. It's just one single exercise that can bring 5 beds down at a time. That is one of my secrets I'm gonna show you now. If you want this, do this. If you want this, then you do this. You want this or this? Let's go. Straight leg, toe to bar. It's called toe to bar, and it's one of the CrossFit exercises. Straight up, tap, and then you're working your back, your arm, and your core. You're strengthening your core. You want to control, you don't want to swing. Big back.